You wanted glizzies? Yes, we like glizzies. Just back off, guys. Just back off. This experiment is gonna be cautious. And also, if you guys don't have that thing that protects you when you're on fire, or don't have a vaccine of anti-fire, stay back. If yes, just eat it while I'm burning. But the injection has been removed. You son of a... Okay, fine. I back off. You guys good now? Yes, we're good. Another try. Yeah! Burn, you son of a bitchy hot dog. You stupid hot dog. I think you're burning the entire thing. Ah! Let's give it more personal. What do you mean? Introducing our new Forsaken reactor. Who? Cool Kid! Oh, hi everyone. Hi Cool Kid. I saw you in Forsaken many times when I'm playing, like I go into a rage. Oh yeah. After this, guys, I'm gonna whisper something to you. After this, I will kill everyone. Cool Kid, what are you laughing? Nothing, just laughing about the video. Oh yeah, it's good to laugh. Let's continue, everyone. Happy New Year. Wait, it's 2025 and it's May 30. Noel. Happy New Year. It's the end of Dead Space. Good thing I didn't get burned to pieces, because I'll be dead. I can really see the fire flowing out. Ah! Help me! I'm dead! There! Oh yeah, I'm removing this guy because he is angry. I mean, he's dead. It's now done. He's now gone. Rip Chance. Anyways, let's now eat. Eat time. Yum 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 yum. It's so yummy. Yum 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 yum. I'm full. Oh, by the way, everyone is now sleeping. See ya, guys. Or I will kill you. Yeah,